Welcome to this redesigning of the new workshop. You see, I'm gonna have a vent system that's gonna run out the side of the wall up there to the outside. I got this here for the venting, brackets for the shelves, and if I can open up the bag here, bunch of other stuff here. Oh, I got some lighting here that's gonna go inside, up underneath there. That'll light that area up. Let me see here. I have the screws here for what's going up in the ceiling here. I'll show you what's going to be going up there. So I got this rock wool. It's soundproofing material that's going to go up in between the joists. And then I got this ceiling paneling or wall, whatever you want to use it on. That's going to add even more soundproofing, so I don't make any noise to anybody upstairs. So that's going on, and then I got wall and ceiling paneling in behind there. So we got lots of stuff here. Now in here, I already took the blinds that were up there down, and then I realized, hey, I'm supposed to be recording all this. And I go, oh, right, okay. So I gotta pull this off. That was for an old shelf that the previous owner put up. And then these walls are gonna have to come down because I'm gonna be adding in another plug-in over here. And this plug here has to come out flush to the wall here. So that has to be adjusted. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm not going to put any paneling or anything on the concrete here. I don't really care about that. But I'm going to get the wall paneling on over here and over on this. And then I have my model shelving here, which is going to go up here. So I'm going to be taking that old stuff there, put it in there, wall it off, and then put up my shelving in that area there. And I'm also going to have shelving up along there, all the way across along the top here as well. Okay, now I'm going to be putting up the blind here to go in the window. So I got the side brackets, got the handle here for it. Just going to put that on. Probably have to tighten up the springs a little bit because it doesn't want to go all the way up. So, but other than that, now at nighttime when I'm model building, I have my privacy. Okay, the next step now is getting the outside vent in. The reason I'm putting a vent in is because, you know, the fumes I work with, glue and all that stuff. So it's going to go right out here, right next to the window, to the outside. So we have to take this plastic off in order to remove this cotton candy. and then we can put that in. We don't need to go all the way to the bottom, do we?
Well, as long as you can get it past where we need it. Now, can we work in there easy?
There.
Okay, I'll pull that stuff
on. Okay guys, so we got the cotton candy out. Now I just gotta find out where we're gonna put the vent in and then make the hole. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do here is we're not gonna put it up here where we thought we were because there's a joint here. So we're gonna have the vent down here next to the window. But there's still an issue of a couple of nails inside there, but once we cut these off, we'll be able to see more clearly. So the outside vent is going to come right about here. So you can see the nails here sticking through, but the vent's going to be a little bit lower, so we don't really have anything to worry about. So right about here, eh? It's below the nail.
Okay, so
Right about here.
I'm thinking,
Yeah, because we wanted it a little bit lower than the window.
I would put it just a tad below, only because
Down here?
yeah, only because when this comes through, we don't want a corner of it catching whatever's on the other side. Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to use this doohickey thingamajigger, whatchamacallit. I don't have a big one, so we're going to start with a small one. Drill out the hole here. Got my eye protection. Ow, I poked my eye! Okay.
Perfect.
That was easy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm going to get that tube out here, center it up, draw a circle around, then I'm just going to use my X-Acto, cut this plastic off. Okay, I'm going to do this a bit quicker way. I got this, drill around. Just gonna go on the inside and finish it off. Flaps going the right way. There. Screw those in. Looking good. So now I'm just gonna cut along this edge here, and that way we got that much space for the other pipe to attach to. Got some garden shears here. That's all I got. I don't have proper tin snips. So this will have to do. It works. That'll go there. Pretty good. Not bad. Alright, so put this back in. Now with this here, I put tape around the edges here so they don't cut yourself. Make sure it's going on the right way. Just gotta screw those in now. Now around that, I just got to put the exterior caulking, and that's completed that. So I did the caulking on the outside, now I just gotta do the inside. Okay, looks pretty good. Not bad. This is what I'm going to be using for the overhead venting. Just like a range. I just stick over the range. So, got to work on attaching a portion of this. So we're going to cut a portion of that off to run a line going up to this section here. It's got a flapper valve inside there. You can see we kind of jury-rigged two of these together. And then from there it'll go over here to about the center of the wall where my main workstation is going to be, in the center here. And the vent will be somewhere up here. The piping going up, over, down, and out that way. Okay, so I'm just going to let that dry overnight before I do any finishing touches on that. Putting the cotton candy back in, close that up, and then we'll be ready to put the wall on and finish that off. But that's going to be in the next one. Please like, subscribe, comment, don't forget to share, and click that notification bell for any future uploads. If you have any questions or you want me to do some commission work for you, contact me at epyc.models@gmail.com. And please check out my website, www.epyc.models.com. See you guys later. Bye-bye.